This is the use case one from AC3 project. So we have an entry point where we are going to define all the characteristics and features of our application distributed in microservices. So as I said before, we have the AC3 GUI where we define the microservices, and we can speed up the deployment of the microservices in different domains in the cloud edge continuum. In this specific use case, we are using two domains, the cloud and the edge and the data source. So we are collecting and gathering data from IoT sensors where we are retrieving metrics like temperature, humidity, motion, and grabbing this data and pre-processing in two different domains. We can perform machine learning models at the edge, and we are monitoring and retrieving metrics and KPIs to try to manage and handle the lifecycle manager, to try and handle the lifecycle of these microservices. Another approach we are showcasing in this demo is the migration of the algorithm of the microservices. We are using RL algorithm that we have integrated with a lifecycle manager to monitor these metrics as CPU, memory, and once, for example, we have a data deluge at the edge and we need more resources, more capabilities to run these microservices, these will be migrated to the cloud and vice versa. So as an overall, this AC3 framework also offers data management as a service. So we have to forget about handling the data management part of the microservices, and it's very helpful for the developers. It could be one example that if the developer doesn't have a very low understanding or insight about how to deploy these microservices in different clusters of Kubernetes, through the GUI with a very high intent, this will be translated to obtain at the end as a result the deployment of this this application running in different clusters. So this is an overall of use case one where we have deployed in our premises in Barcelona these sensors, the data acquisition, the cluster, and we are showcasing here the dashboards in real time.